Hey, iCkEdMeL, welcome back to the channel. And there's some updates with regards to Naomi Irion, where this is the woman that was living in Fernley, Nevada, and was taken against her will by this guy named Troy Driver. We saw the video at the Walmart. And so some new court documents have come out. He was supposed to appear in front of the judge today, but that got moved to the 10th. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. And technically, this is actually really the amended criminal complaint, and so there's a lot of new details on there. This court document is from today, April 5th, 2022. The state of Nevada versus Troy E. Driver. Comes now plaintiff, state of Nevada, by and through Stephen B. Rye, Lyon County District Attorney, and hereby verifies and declares upon information and belief and under penalty of perjury that Troy E. Driver, the defendant above named, has committed the following crimes: first-degree murder with the use of a deadly weapon in violation of NRS, a Category A felony, that on or between March 12, 2022 and March 25th, 2022 in Canal Township, Lyon County, and New River Township, Churchill County, state of Nevada, the defendant did willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously kill a human being with malice aforethought, either express or implied, with premeditation and deliberation. The unlawful killing committed in the manner following, to wit, the defendant did kill Naomi Irion with a deadly weapon, namely a firearm, by shooting her, thereby inflicting mortal injuries upon said victim, all of which occurred at or near a rural portion of the northern Churchill County, Nevada, the preparatory acts of which to accomplish said crime commencing at or near 1550 E Newlands Drive, Fernley, Nevada. This is the Walmart address. And or the concealment of said crime recommencing at or near 1550 E Newlands Drive, Fernley, Nevada. Count 2, kidnapping in the first degree, NRS, a Category A felony, that on or about March 12, 2022 in Canal Township, Lyon County, state of Nevada, defendant did willfully seize, confine, inveigle, entice, decoy, abduct, conceal, kidnap, or carry away a person by any means whatsoever with the intent to hold or detain, or who holds or detains the person for ransom or reward, or for the purpose of committing extortion or robbery upon or from the person, or for the purpose of killing the person or inflicting substantial bodily harm upon the person, or to exact from relatives, friends, or any other person any money or valuable thing for the return or disposition of the kidnapped person. To wit, defendant did abduct Naomi Irion and did hold or detain her and did carry her away to the location in the northern Churchill County, Nevada, for the purpose of committing disgusting, and or for the purpose of killing her, all of which occurred at or near this Walmart address. Count 3 is for robbery, a Category B felony, that on or about March 12th in Canal Township, Lyon County, state of Nevada, the defendant did willfully, intentionally, and unlawfully take personal property from the person of another or in the same person's presence against his or her will by means of force or violence or fear of injury, immediate or future, to his or her person or property in the manner following, to wit, the defendant entered Naomi Irion's car and drove it away with her inside against her will, all of which occurred at this Walmart address, which I guess he obviously had a gun. All right. Count 4, burglary of a motor vehicle, a Category E felony, that on or about March 12, 2022 in Canal Township, Lyon County, state of Nevada, the defendant by day or night did unlawfully enter or unlawfully remain in a motor vehicle or any part thereof, namely a 1992 Mercury Sable, owned and or occupied by Naomi, with the intent to commit grand or petite larceny, assault, or battery on any person, or any felony, all of which occurred at or near this Walmart address. Count 5, destroying evidence, which is considered a gross misdemeanor, that on or about March 12, 2022 and March 25th, 2022 in Canal Township, Lyon County, state of Nevada, the defendant, with the intent to conceal the commission of any felony or to protect or conceal the identity of any person committing the same, did willfully destroy, alter, erase, obliterate, or conceal any book, paper, record, writing, instrument, or thing in the manner following, to wit, the defendant did dispose of tires from his truck to conceal or destroy any evidence of a felony and to protect or conceal his identity as the one responsible for the crimes. He did bury the body of Naomi Irion in an attempt to conceal or destroy evidence of the kidnapping, murder, and other crimes. That he did destroy or conceal Naomi Irion's cell phone, all of which occurred at various locations: Lyon, Churchill, Pershing, Humboldt, which is one of the places, and Eureka County. This is what the Coworker, I mean, I don't know if it's, they linked it or tied it, but he was talking about evidence being destroyed, and he mentioned these mines was in the Eureka County and the Humboldt area. So, interesting. Venue is appropriate in Lyon County because the felony crimes for which the defendant concealed or destroyed evidence were committed in whole or in part of Lyon County, Nevada, all of which is contrary to the form of statute in such cases made and provided and against the peace and dignity of the state of Nevada. Complainant prays that a summons and or warrant be issued and that said defendant be dealt with according to law. I declare under penalty of perjury under the law of state of Nevada that the foregoing is true and correct. Dated April 5th, 2022. So these are the stipulation documents, and I actually thought it was April 10th, but it's actually May. So this is for the pretrial hearing be continued from April 5th, 2022 to the 10th day of May, 2022. So this pretrial has been moved to the 10th of May. Okay. And then the second page is for the preliminary hearing. And so the preliminary hearing has been moved from the 12th of April, 2022 and set as a status hearing on May 10th, 2022. If you guys haven't seen the original video I did on the Coworker, you can check it out. I still don't know. It is interesting. It kind of leads or points to maybe he was being honest and telling the truth. Possibly, he mentioned these locations. If you haven't seen my original video, you should check it out because I took the time to map out the different areas he was talking about. And so it kind of gives you a visual. The other thing, while I'm recording this, I figured, let me go check his videos, see if they're still there. Maybe he posted some sort of update. And when I go to his Facebook page, check it out. The page is down. I guess he put his thing, he either deactivated his page. I don't know what's going on. I went to the video links because I have the video links and you can't access the videos because his page is down. And I try to call somebody and ask them about it. They don't really know because they don't talk to him like that. So that adds on to the mystery. I don't know if he caved in under the pressure or somebody reached out to him and told him, or if he got an attorney and told him, yo, you need to shut it down. So I'm still kind of lost with how I feel on that whole situation. There were some things that pointed to maybe it is. And there's other things like the reason he got fired. To me, it felt like there's probably still more there to it.